everyone. This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before I get started showing you the update on my update number 2, I guess, would be on my Clone Toy group build sponsored by Trevor and BG. I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my loyal old subscribers. Just anybody, even if you ain't subscribed to me, if you're watching, thank you. Okay, so before I turn this camera around and show you my update, I'm going to show you a small stash ad. I went to Ollie's. I seen where me and Doug Hensley been talking and stuff, and I finally found a Ollie's around my area. So when I got there wasn't much there, but I bought what they did have. It's not much, but I went ahead and got 2 of these because they were $9.99 and then 33% off of that. So I got 2 of these suckers. I already opened that one up, but yeah, you can't have enough trucks. And then I really don't build much big rigs, but you know, this here was $19.99, and it's just the trailer, and it was 33% off, so I went ahead and got that to go with one of my diesel trucks if I ever get around to building them. And then the main thing I bought, and I bought it, and I'm going to give it to my oldest boy, because he's big into military and he loves his Japanese models and stuff. So I went ahead and bought the that big 1/72 scale Japanese submarine. It was $60, but I got 33% off. So let me see if I can't get this thing in picture here. That thing's huge. I don't know if you can see how huge that thing is. That's a big old box. There's the parts to it. That's the actual size, is what it says right there shown on the box. So that thing's gonna be huge. My son don't know he's getting this, but I got it for him. Like I said, I wouldn't even have room for it. I got too many 12 scale model kits that I gotta find room for now, that I wouldn't have room for that. But I bought it for him, and he's gonna absolutely love it. And then I stopped at an antique shop, and I bought this. I bought me another one of these. Years ago, I built one and I sold it on eBay, and I did it bone stock, but I did it with a 6-cylinder that I cast, and I put the 6-cylinder 3-speed on the column with the dog dish hubcaps, or the little Ford hubcaps, which this comes with. It don't show it on the box. It just shows some slot mags, and it shows those hubcaps right there, but it actually comes with the Ford dog dish hubcaps. And I built one years ago, 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column, and I sold it on eBay for, it was well over $150. And but I figured I'd keep this one for myself. I think I got another one over there too. But all right, that's it for stash ads. So the main thing, let's turn this around and show you what I've done. All right, guys, this is what I've gotten done so far. And you remember, this is my Clone Toy group build, and there's the Hot Wheel that I'm building. And like I said, when it comes in the mail, I'll have the actual Hot Wheel to go with it. That's what I played with when I was a kid. I remember playing with that thing a lot. But so this is what I've got done so far. I got the 2 little Yamaha motorcycles built. There's the interior tub. There's the frame all mocked up. I got the engine wired up. You can't really tell too good because it's a Fire Dome Hemi, so all the plug wires go in under this little cover right there, so they don't go into the actual cylinders around like that. They got to go through like that. It's in a magneto. And here's the cab, what I've gotten done so far. Got the steering wheel in there. I don't know if you can see it. I got the dash done. door panels, which you probably can't see too good. I got all in there detail painted. The windshield scratched up. That glass was kind of scratched up, but it's alright. I don't care. Here's the bed with I painted the wood and did the chrome slats. And the motorcycles are actually going to stick out just a hair bit. I won't be able to close the tailgate. And there's the hood. And there's the tailgate to it. So the tailgate will be down. And that'll be alright. But that's what she's looking like. I might be able to set that there. Just kind of give you an idea what everything might kind of look like. But that's how she's looking right now. So this is update number 2 on my Clone a Toy build. Thank you guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe.